Newport, Rhode Island, famous for its beautiful beaches, waterfront homes, and of course, boats, boats, and more boats. Last weekend, hundreds of people flocked to the Newport International Boat Show at the Newport Yachting Center to see powerboats and sailboats from across the world. It's too early to get exact numbers on the show, however, attendance was up all 3 days, with Saturday being especially busy. There were 603 exhibitors at this year's show. That number also includes dealer representatives. And now for the boats. The boat show ran from September 15th to the 18th. If you missed out on this year's Newport Boat Show, don't worry. It's just the start for what looks like to be a promising season. This has been a Soundings Boat Show recap. For more boat stories and news, visit our website, soundingsonline.com, or our Facebook.